Hi guys, I'm here again to share you something very conducive for our viand. Lalo't busy tayo, so ganito lang ang dapat gawin para magiging easiest cooking but so delicious and tasty. This is called Adidas or paan ng manok. Then all my condiments are here: chilli, vinegar, soy sauce, magic sarap or magi chocoprasa. Then black pepper, may ginger ako, may onion, I slice it. Then garlic, this one whole garlic for this one. Then salt of course. Then maglagay tayo ng sugar, 1 spoon of sugar. So ito yung gagawin ko guys, imimix ko lang ito, then we'll boil it later. Okay, I'll show you. I will show you later. So 1 big glass of water. Then 3 spoon of vinegar. Then 4 spoon of soy sauce. Masarap yan guys. Then 1 spoon of granuled seasoning. Then 1 spoon of salt. Then 2 tablespoons of sugar to balance the taste. Yan. Then after that, I will put all the condiments, the ginger, this one with onion, ginger, and garlic. Okay, later I will mix it all, then boil it. Then this one guys, 10 pieces of chili, garlic, 1 whole garlic, 1 whole onion, and sliced ginger. So this one, my condiments for Adidas, and laurel and black pepper. This one guys, always remember, you have to complete these condiments para masarap yung Adidas nyo, adobong Adidas. Okay? So thank you guys, and later I will show you the finished product. Okay? Mix it now. Mix lang siya guys. Massage it before you put in the rice cooker para masarap siya. With sugar, salt, vinegar, granuled seasoning. It's so tasty, believe me. Just, you're gonna love this. Try it. Mahilig kasi ang Pinoy magluto guys. So, we have to love cooking. If there is time, give time for cooking. Because we love mukbang. Food is life. So, yan lang guys. I will transfer it in my rice cooker. So, this is it. Boiled it for 30 minutes. Allow this to fully cook, tender and soft later. I will show you later guys that we finish product. Guys, I forgot to tell you, I add the lemongrass. Add the lemongrass and very aromatic and very tasty. Okay, it's boiling already. Okay, tender and juicy. See guys, you see this? Yan. Very nice. Yan, it's fully cooked already guys. This one's sticky already. And then, okay, it's very juicy. Try my Adidas. Try cooking like this guys. No hassle. It's very easiest cooking. Yan, it's time to eat, and I will share this one with my colleagues. Thank you for watching. Thank you guys for following me and for supporting me always. God bless you all. I love you. Bye.